Then we talk about moving on to the description. Now, this is an elaborated bullet points because you have a limitation on the bullet points. And going back again to the bullet points, right? We should keep in mind that it's not too bulky, right? Usually people have a very low attention span. So we don't want them to get scared by just looking at the size of those lines in the bullet points. We want them to be attracted to actually see what is there in the bullet points and be curious enough to go down to the description.
True. I
And
mean,
then
there are bullet points.
exactly,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. So in the description, you get the brand, you get the benefit of probably talking a little bit about your brand. You can talk about your brand. You can talk about the story of how you started the brand in brief, and then go into detailing of what the product is all about in a more descriptive manner.
Hey, it's Riya Mithil here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.